Hi guys, it's me again. It's a really busy morning. Just carrying on from the last video where we did washi and stamping, was it? I think in the first and second signature of Here and There. We're going to do the fabric flips in this one, and just to give you an idea of what I mean, I've actually finished some, so I've just added some fabric and lace to give it like a patchwork kind of scrappy book kind of vibe. I'll show you where I've done it in this one. So that's just on the back of the first signature of Out and About. Added lace to the picture of Jane Austen here. So I've got flips in different places. I didn't mark them, I should have done, but that's what we're going to do today anyway. That's in the floral and birds, this beautiful chintz. I love it, I love it. I've popped some in there. I've got any more, and there are just little ones here and there. And the flip through, the big flip through, we'll find them, but let's do it together. Let's do it together. Layer up some different fabrics. So I'm going to do them all the way through, and I'm going to staple them in with my staple. Would you believe it? I've actually popped some staples in this time. So we'll see how that works for me, whether or not we will actually have staples that stay in and actually work. So I thought for this particular one, for this first with the colours that go, perhaps this one. What do you think? That's quite nice. It's got those vibrant colours. Maybe this one as well. Maybe that one. That one could go in the Jane Austen one, can't it? It's more subdued. Right, come on, let's see. That could be quite nice. Do you think that could be quite nice just there, couldn't it? Oh, maybe not. Shall we? Let's see, it's open up. How about here? Peeping over the top of that page. And then shall we put a little bit of lace on it? Shall we pop a little bit? See, now I should have thought of that beforehand. That could be quite nice, couldn't it? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Red lace would be nice, I think. A thinner. Let's have a look. Right, get my act together. Let's have that like that. And this like this. Let's pop that down like that and see if that helps. Have I got a thin? I must have just saved some. Yeah, let's go for vibrant. That or that. I think the peach is softer. So shall we go for peach? I think the peach may just fit a little bit better with the colour around. Right then, let's let that go. Let's see which one's pink, and I'm just hopefully still in frame. Just gonna staple that in like so. Cool. Actually did it without knocking the camera. Well, who knew? Right, so that could be quite nice. So we'll do maybe a couple in each. Oh, I did that. Did I have that? I did that washi. The last. So you've got your collage, your paper, bit of lace, scrap bit of lace, and the washi. I thought that looked really nice there. I did that. A little bit of glue. Should we put a little bit on her? What else did we say we'd use? We said we'd use that. Pop it there. And a tiny bit maybe of this. Let's go for it. Oh, Oh, tell you what. Let's just pop the red in. Let's just pop the red in across there. Like that. Now I do have a little long strip of that chintz. Now this is the chintz. Have I? Oh no, I've been rattling on about it because I'm actually really excited. This chintz is the one that I picked up from the charity shop a few weeks back. I did quite a big fabric haul. I was so excited about it. It's beautiful. It's 2 pairs of curtains. And it's a really junky charity shop. It's lovely. So everything is just where you find it. Do you know what I mean? Wherever it sits is wherever it sits, and you just have to sort of, you know, root through and see what you find. Yes, let's pop that there. Shall I pop? Feels like it needs a little something. That third thing I was saying about the other earlier. I'll have to come back to that. Yeah. So where it sits is where it sits. So I picked that up, and so there's enough for, no, let's not overkill it, let's just leave that for now. There's enough for, I should probably pin something in there. That's beautiful as well. That's where I put the stamp on it, if you remember. Anyway, let's not digress, because time really does go, doesn't it? So, how lovely is that from the Royal Horticultural Society diary? Like that. And I popped, oh yes, since I turned the camera on last, I've stamped in here. I carried on stamping, adding a bit of washi, and I stamped, and I put some of this little gold lace on the top there. I just love the way it's at with those colours. And when you close the page, it peeks out. Does it peek out on that side? Just a tiny bit on this side. I'll pop that in, lots of interest there. What was I talking about? Oh yes, and I also had the cheek, I'm sorry, while off camera without you guys, I am sorry, cheeky me, I popped this little bit of lace. I just found this lace, this crocheted lace. I used some, cut it up and put some in my day book. Some went out with a giveaway, didn't it? I think Gorgeous Spring giveaway. Little bit went out with the brown, bloody and brown too. Anyway, that's left, and I thought that looked quite nice with that. It's just, it really is making up as you go along. So that's quite, I still yet have to pin some bits in. I wonder about here. This is the Jane Austen, isn't it? So I could get away with a little bit of that somewhere. Let's see. That is from, as I said, maybe just a tiny bit. That those napkins I made some traveller's notebooks out of in the summer. And for my friend Tina, who went to Norway to a special assembly, and that was because she loves all things Cath Kidston, and I picked these napkins up with really faded labels. Did not know they were Cath Kidston until a few weeks ago, and I thought, oh, that looks a bit like Cath Kidston, and I'll pop it in. Anyway, who knew? There you go. So let's pop that on. So these are just the remains of those napkins, really. Do you know what? I might just leave that as it is. Remains of the napkins. I've got little scraps, so those can go in. Is that pink or green? Pink or green. That feels really thick. It is actually quite thick. I might have done 2 pages together. I have to sort that, or shall I? You know, guys, it's a junk journal, isn't it, after all? Let's go for it. We will sort that out. And on. Let's pop another one on just to secure it. while I faff about. So just to say, everybody, no animals or children got harmed in the making of this video. Just to allay your fears, because I know how confident you are in my abilities. I said I'd put this one in, didn't I? Do you think that looked quite nice there? I don't know. I'll just leave that and pop and pin something in. I just think I might leave that out for now. So this one is the floral section, and I've yet to put the collage. When I turn the camera off next, I shall be collaging some Edith Holden papers onto this, you know, like I did the paper collage on the others. And I've also got some Tim Holtz goodies as well, some of these botanicals to put into this section too. They're in the other. And this chintz goes so well in this little section. I might just do a couple of paces actually. Do a big flip. So somewhere it's really plain. What do you think, guys? I wonder if that... Actually, let's leave that. Where it's really plain and can do with a little bit of a lift. I'll pop that on there. No, maybe not. That side. No. I think that would look really nice. Is that the way up? I think that's the way up, isn't it, with the posy? Oh, how gorgeous is that? It's so gorgeous, it always makes me want to cry. Isn't that funny? How beautiful things can make you feel. Oh, lovely. Right. I won't... Shall I mess about with that, guys, or shall I just leave it? Leave it alone. I can hear you saying. I will. But I'm going to pin it in with... staple it in with green. We have license to, don't we? To be... I nearly said to be fair, but... Oh, see, it's got a couple of gold in as well. The last of the gold. So we've got a little mix. So this can flip up. This can flip up if need be, if you want to do any secret journaling. Oh, how gorgeous is that? Oh, very pleased with that indeed. Now these papers are from eBay. They're plain on the back. So what I did with this one is I glued them back to back. I love it. And I might just do, should I do a little tiny one? How lovely is that? How beautiful is that? So pleased with these. And my next project, which should be out for next week now, to be honest. See, I didn't say to be fair. Said to be honest. So as I'm gathering Becky's gratitude journal bits and bobs, to really, I need to get that done next week. I want to get that finished and out to her. But I also have the series of the Traveller's Notebooks as well, that I've scheduled to release at the beginning of the month. And the notes of the Edwardian Lady. Do you remember I got that book, which I didn't realise existed? Nature Notes from 1906 rather than 1905. See how this kind of chews things up, doesn't it? Anyway, that is going to form the basis of the next Traveller's Journal. That is crooked, but it's going in. It's going in. There you go, guys. We're at 14.5 minutes. I don't think much more is going to go in on the fabric side here. So move on, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. I'll see the next one. Probably just aging the postcards to pop in. Take care, guys. Bye.